experience of this course?
일단 우선 처음에 이 수업의 주제가 호버크래프트라는 주제를 들었을 때 기존에 접했던 다른 것들과 너무 다른 주제라서 좀 신선한 느낌이 있었고, 근데 그렇게 신선한 만큼 처음에 그 컨셉트를 떠올리고 디자인을 시작할 때 조금은 어려운 감이 있었지만 결과적으로 비교적 완성도가 높은 작품을 만들게 돼서 괜찮았던 것 같습니다.
I'd say the course is the type of course where you just do something with your teammates and then that project forces you to go as a whole. You learn as you create something and as you handle things that come to you. Create, evolve, improvise. And I'd say the course is more about improvising than anything else. It's pretty difficult. You need to have a lot of time invested to the course, but I'd say it's a course that everyone should take.
Then what was the hardest challenge that you faced in this course?
The first thing is we thought that our hovercraft is hovering, but we found out that it is not, because it doesn't rotate when it hovers. So it takes a lot of time to make it really hover well. So that was the first thing that we got as a challenge. And the second thing is as we are working at the same room, we can see the other people how they are doing it. So it really feels a lot that we should do it much better than others, because we could show others. Yeah, that was the second point.
네, 호버크래프트라는 게 처음에는 전혀 접하지 못했던 건 그게 뭔지도 몰랐으니까 처음에 시작할 때 시작을 어떤 식으로 해야 될지가 살짝 어려웠던 것 같습니다.
So then how did you overcome those challenges?
I think overcoming the challenges consisted of each team member stepping up to be diligent. In that sense, I mean that inevitably there's going to be some schedule changes or schedules that pop up for one another, and for each member to be able to step up even though they don't feel like it to take the place of a team member, or each member also staying diligent on the predetermined schedule of meeting, let's say every Wednesday, or being willing to come early in the morning at 7 a.m. or staying late at night until 5 a.m. I think that's what allowed us to overcome these kind of challenges.
Just work hard. Spend more time. That is the only way they can make the hovercraft better.